for that session. I think now we can go for
the report brings out issues of quality of care as the main issues that all stakeholders, including the counties who are represented here and all the 47 counties, must use this to engage with it and be able to come up with specific plans to address these gaps. And for us to be able to respond to this challenge of quality, both even at the national and the county level, we really need to work with all the stakeholders to be able to really bring out the quality care that is needed for mothers. The expected facility days reported should be above 5,000, but we are only able to report through our system only less than 1,000. I think this is an area that calls a lot of efforts, investment, so that we come up with strategies. What are we doing? There is a lot of under-reporting. Are the private facilities also reporting what is happening in their facilities? Mothers who are dying, the newborns who are dying, in our facilities, the county CCs are here. What is actually happening that this is not being reported? I think this should be an eye-opener for everyone for action.